I mean, that's another very interesting aspect is the cells replacement. In this meeting, the data of the phase 1 implant of stem cells by Blue Rock will be presented, and they are very good in terms of safety. So after more than 1 year, the patient didn't show any side effects or problem, and despite the studies in open label, observational, it seems that the patient had a clear improvement in terms of UPDRS part 3 and diaries. So very interesting aspect. Also the gene therapy is quite interesting. There are new data, new study starting. The data with the other trials using gene therapy were, interesting but not fantastic, enthusiastic, so we'll see what happens.